Hey everyone, it is Nancy Ann, and today I have two different types of fixes for you. One is our Stitch Fix, a big fan favorite, and another one is called Mighty Fix by the company Mighty Nest. I'm going to do this one real quick because this is something I think you might enjoy seeing. I'm very excited about getting into both of these, so let's go. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. I really am glad that you're here and I'm excited to get into these. So Mighty Fix is one I'm going to do real quick for you guys. I don't get anything off of this. So Mighty Nest is a company that the idea with them is to help you live greener and more sustainably. And they have something called the Mighty Fix that is just $13 a month. They send you a green, sustainable type product. I always go in for the ones that help me around the house. You do fill out a little bit of a profile every month. And you can either choose something from a list of products they have, or they can choose something for you based on your profile. So initially, I got myself a set of dryer balls that I love and I use all the time because dryer sheets have all sorts of bad things in them that shouldn't be coming in contact with your body. I got myself lip balms that I added on 1 month to one for just about $5 a set of 3. Really nice quality lip balms. Last month, I got some little package of dishwash detergent cubes. They were in a little muslin bag, and then there was also some scrubbers that went with it, a set of 3 scrubbers that are lasting really well actually. We're still on the first one after a month. So I love this subscription, $13 a month plus tax, no shipping fee on that. So shipping is included, and you can add to your subscription every month if you want to pay extra for something, or you can upgrade it. So what I got this month, I actually upgraded for just $1 or $2. And I wanted to just show you so you have an idea. The only reason why I'm showing you this, again, I don't get anything off of it, is simply because I think it's a good deal and it's a fun thing to get every month, and it doesn't cost an arm and a leg. So it says, give the gift of sustainable living. And then you can give a Mighty Fix subscription for $39. Then it has just the little invoice of what's in the packaging. So there's how it's packed. They're just wrapped. So I'm going to get these unwrapped and I'll show them to you. So it looks like I did get something extra. I was looking at these going, what is this? It looks like these are Mighty Nest Swedish dishcloth seasonal pattern in bunny woods. I don't recall getting these. So these are just Swedish dishcloths. They're kind of a winter type theme to them. We've used these before. I just get them wet. We use them to scrub some things. I clean around stuff, and I can put these in the dishwasher, at least my last ones. I'll check and see. They last for a really long time. Let me get a look at them. Okay, so these are made in Sweden with earth-friendly cellulose and cotton. They're printed with water-based inks. They absorb up to 15 times weight and leave a surface streak-free. I've discovered that's really true. Eco-friendly alternative to synthetic sponges and disposable paper towels. Machine wash, dry flat, compostable. So this is what I found. I put these in the top rack of my dishwasher, and then after the dishwasher's done, I just squeeze them out because they're a little wet, drape them over my sink faucet, and they get dry. So these we really used for quite a while before I finally, when I had my last one, when it finally died. All right, now I'm going to get into these 2 little packages that should be my cleaners. Okay, as I was unwrapping them, it was occurring to me. These came with the Swedish dishcloths. And it was less than $2 to upgrade to this. So it was my regular $13 for my Mighty Fix cost, plus then another $1 or $2. So the total cost of this was, I think, $14 and change, plus they charge tax, and then it shipped for free. So I've got a Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface everyday cleaner. Was looking for something cleaner to use, more healthy in our kitchen because I spray down my counters and wipe them off a lot. And then we have the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap. And this is biodegradable and all as well. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for both of these things along with these dishcloths. Love this subscription, not very expensive, kind of fun. They can either send to you what they think will work for you based on your profile, or you can go on and pick your own items and you can upgrade a little and get something a little more expensive than the basic $13 fixed price. Okay, now let's get into Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix styling service. For anyone who doesn't know, the whys and wherefores and how it works is in my Cliff Notes. In the description box below, I also pin them to the top of the comments when the video first comes out. $20 styling fee. If you use my link below, you will get a $25 credit to go towards your first fix. I will also get a credit. Thank you so much. That has really helped keep me going. And that $20 fee is applied back towards anything that you keep. Here is my postage paid envelope. It's a bag to put anything I don't want and I don't love in and send it back. Shipping both ways is free. And here is my invoice with the prices. I always save those to the end so it doesn't influence my opinion of the clothing. We have a little bundle and a pair of shoes. They did send me a preview. They send you a preview with up to 5, with 10 items, and you can pick up to 5. I rejected them all. I had asked for their latest styles this month. I said, I just want the latest and greatest. And they said, would you like us to send you a new preview? That's never happened before. Or would you like to just have the stylist pick for you? I said, send me a new preview. I picked one thing. I think this is the dress right here. And I believe the stylist filled in with the other items. Maybe I kept the pair of shoes too, possibly. I can't remember. I did ask for a white cardigan. I think we may have it right here. We'll see if my stylist is the same one I had last time. I seem to have rotating stylists lately. Let's get into the shoes first. I love Stitch Fix shoes. They carry size 11, and none of the other styling services do that. Oh, I didn't realize these were kind of a denim look to them. Now denim, they're really gray, but they do look just a little bit maybe denim or tweedish. Denim is a really big thing coming up this year. So I'm excited to try those. Look at the interesting block heel. Can you see it from the top? It kind of sticks out the back. Yeah, I'm excited to try those. Now our 4 items. Oh, this is a pretty little, oh, I may have picked this from my preview, possibly, or I may have saved it to my wish list on Stitch Fix. If you flag something for your wish list, the stylist can see that and send it to you if she can find it at the warehouse and it's something that will work in with your requests. So I'm excited to try this. So far we're 2 for 2. White cardigan I've been needing. Oh, this is cute. This is just a cute basic little cardigan. I think I have maybe a burgundy one. Very, very similar. This is by Letty and Me. So we'll try this on. It's a size medium. I hope that fits. Doesn't button in the front, but that's okay. I rarely button my cardigans. By the way, people are going to ask where I got this one. This is from Trendsend. When I did my last Trendsend, I had requested a couple of cardigan type things, and this was one of them. And I just went ahead and bought this one on my own. I love it. And okay, here's the dress. And I was hoping with this kind of fit and flare type style that this dress would fit me well. What size are we? I think we should be a large. It's a 12. Okay, so that'll probably fit. I'm excited to try this. That is a stretch knit, but it zips down the back. And then lastly, we have a pair of, oh boy. Now, these are like a straight leg. So we'll see. They're by Democracy. These don't tend to fit me so well or look so great on me with this narrower leg opening, but you never know. So we'll give it a try. Alrighty, I'll be right back with the first items. My stylist this time is Lauren. Last time it was Lori. Before that, I had Ray for several fixes. I have just accepted the fact that I'm never going to be able to hang on to a stylist for long periods of time, like so many of my cohorts who do these videos can. So I just get the adventure and fun of rotating stylists. Anyway, Lauren has done a fantabulous job. She talked about every single item in this fix in a very short paragraph. They don't have a whole lot of space. And she mentioned that I wanted the latest and greatest of the styles. She talked about why she sent me what she sent me. I believe everything but these jeans, 4 items, were all on my wish list, and she told me how to put them together. Lauren did a really good job. Would love to keep Lauren. I'm almost afraid to say that because every time I say that, I don't keep the stylist. So we're just going to roll with it. But okay, I generally don't like real skinny fitting jeans, and I'll see when we do the wrap up what the name of this style is. It's escaping me, but basically it's a skinny jean and then it comes out a little bit at the bottom. The little bit I'm able to see in the viewfinder, and I haven't looked in the mirror really, these aren't too bad. A little bit short. I think they work with these heels, which is how she suggested that I put them on. And then this really, really cute sweater. The jeans are Democracy. They are about a mid-rise, I would say. Real comfy, very typical for Democracy as far as the fit goes. Don't know that I need a pair of jeans like this, but I think it was a good selection on her part, especially to kind of tie these two items that I had put on my wish list together. Now the top is so darling. I am always a sucker for a puff sleeve because my hips are the size they are. It helps a little bit when you can broaden up the top of me just a tad. I love this silver color. This is a sweater. I just think the style is so cute. Isn't this darling? It's not too long. I probably would never try and tuck this in, but I do love the style and the look of this, and the color is different than anything I have in any of my tops, I think. And then of course we have the really cute shoes. These are by Vince Camuto. I showed them to you at the unboxing portion. I love that the heel is a little bit different. I think this is a great looking outfit. I'll take a look. Sometimes I look at the footage and I'm like, I don't like those jeans so much on me, but I think this looks pretty good. All right, I'll be back in just a second with the dress and the cardigan. So I just walked out and I said to Sam, what do you think of this dress? And he went, wowza. He likes this. He did say he thought that possibly it could be just a little bit too tight, but he thinks the fact that it kind of more drops off my hips than clings all the way down makes it look better. I think he's right. He's getting really good at figuring out why clothes work and don't work on me since we have started this channel. Full disclosure, I did go ahead and slip some Spanx on after he said that because I had thought it may be a little bit tight too. So I wonder in this dress if I couldn't size up one. I will say this is a gorgeous dress. I really like it. I think these side panels, or not side panels, but the pattern going down the sides, and I love that it's also on the arms, kind of has a slimming effect on me and helps make me look even more hourglassy. It plays into my hourglass figure in a very, very nice way. My microphone's on up here, but it does have a kind of a jewel type neckline. We've got a 3/4 sleeve. I could honestly use some longer sleeve dresses. This one looks really, really nice. Love the length. Good for winter, would be cute with a pair of boots. Wouldn't normally wear it with these shoes that came with the fix, but they're down here. So I think it serves the purpose of showing how nice this looks with a pair of heels. I'd probably put this with a pair of black or white heels, but I think these are okay for the moment. So I'm kind of digging this dress. If I want to keep it in my size up 1. And I did think we were going to have Ruger here for a minute, but then he walked back out because his odds of getting treats out there with Daddy are higher right now. I have tags everywhere. So here is this little cardigan. She did recommend that I put it on with the dress. I think it's an okay look. I'd probably wear this dress more with a blazer. I like the length on it. It's not so long that I lose my shape, and it's nice and light. It's a very light weight. I was kind of hoping for a warmer knit cardigan, but this would help serve me year round, and it's a true white, which is something I've been looking for. All right, those are my 5 items from Stitch Fix. I'm gonna pull it in close and we'll talk about prices and what I might keep. Are you ready to check out some prices? And then we'll talk about what I might keep. You did see a Stitch Fix from me just a couple of weeks ago. Normally I only do 1 a month, but I mentioned in that video that I was gonna order a quick turnaround box because I wasn't sure if they were gonna renew my Style Pass, and I wanted to make sure I got at least 1 more fix without having to pay the $20 styling fee. I checked on the website though, it looks like mine will renew at the end of the month. I'm really grateful for that because I want to continue bringing you fixes, but you never know. Maybe they'll pull the plug. We'll find out. But in the meantime, I got a really great fix with some really neat items in it. So let's take a look at prices here. First up, We have the Oakland ribbed sleeve cardigan in white by Letty and Meat. This one is $48. I was going to show you, I don't know if I did a good job of showing you the detailing on the back. It's got some ribbing in kind of a triangular pattern right there. Next up is the Les Serene Marcello Pluff Shoulder Lurex Knit. Let's look at the tag to get a good name. Knit top. This is a size medium in gray, and this is only $44. They're calling it a knit top. It does feel a little bit like a sweater knit, but I think I could hang this on a hanger and it wouldn't stretch out of shape. Love that one. Then we've got the Democracy Absolution Eco Straight Jeans. These are $78, pretty standard Democracy price. Great little pair of jeans there. Then we've got the Maggie London, need the glasses. Ratner maxi dress in pink, size 12, $88. I don't think that's too bad a price on this whatsoever. So cute. Let me know if you think I should size up on that. That's really, really cute. And lastly is the Vince Camuto Footwear Hamden Slingback in Cobalt, size 11. These are $99. I think these are really cute, but you know what? They were hurting me across the bow of my foot, across my toes. Just too tight, especially on my right foot. So these will definitely be going back, but oh my goodness. And the sling back part was just a little bit loose. So these are going to be going back. Super cute styling, but that's okay. I'm sure I will find something equally wonderful in upcoming fixes. Stitch Fix has been terrific about getting my shoe wardrobe just to an acceptable level where it's not pathetic anymore. Okay, stylist pick subtotal, so all these items together is $357. If I was to keep all 5 items, I would get the buy all discount of 25%. That would be $89.25 off, and the order subtotal would be $267.75. If I paid the $20 styling fee, that would credit back to that for $247.75. I believe tax adds in also, although I could be wrong about that. I'm not going to keep all 5 items. I definitely don't want the footwear, the Vince Camuto heels. Also, I wouldn't keep the Democracy jeans. I just don't need another pair. I have enough cropped jeans. I don't think they looked real bad though. I'm gonna look at the footage though and see what I think about them just because I'm curious. So now I'm down to the white cardigan, the puff sleeve top, and the dress. I could use a dress. I can't use another top, quite frankly, but this is really cute. And I also have been looking for a white cardigan. So I got a front door fashion on the way. So I think I'm gonna try and extend this box out to wait and see what comes in the front door fashion, because I told her I wanted a white cardigan too, and I want to see what my stylist with front door fashion, Rachel, comes up with. I'm gonna wait on that, and I would really like to get you guys' opinion on all of these pieces. In the meantime, biggest thing I'd like to know is, do you think I should size up on this dress? So there we go. That is another Stitch Fix for the month of January. This has been a lot of fun. Thank you very much for watching with me. If you could do me a quick favor and just squish that like button, helps the video so much. You cannot believe. Comment down below. That helps the video too, but more than anything, it helps me mentally because I love interacting with you guys. And by the way, thank you to everyone who has complimented Sam on the editing. He always finds bloopers. I think he's going to have a lot for this one. So stick around and check out the bloopers. And subscribe if you like seeing different types of unboxings, mostly clothing. I always get a little bit of a thrill when someone new subscribes. And we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye and be blessed. 2 different types of fixes for you. One is our good old Stitch Fix that we're all used to. That came out wrong. Let's try again. No, stay with me. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. Really? Okay, you go see what Dad's doing.